How to change your Zoom background before a meeting. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the settings option on the bottom left of your screen, and here tap on the video and effects option you see there. Further, go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for virtual backgrounds. So go ahead and choose your virtual background right before the meeting starts. You can go ahead and select the backgrounds provided in here, or you can also simply tap on the plus icon you see there in order to add an image or video of your own. Once done, simply go back and join a meeting, and with this, your background will be changed before a meeting. So, this was about how you can change your background on Zoom before a meeting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.